In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block users in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to block any user, just log into your Microsoft Teams account, or if the meeting is on, you can also do this. Just head over to your account and then look for people option here. This will show list of all contacts on your account as well as those that are active now. For those that are active now, you should see them right here. Currently, I'm only one here. And to block any user, for instance, those that are active, just click on this more option and you should see an option to block them from here. If you want to see a list of all that are active, just choose active here. Or if you just want to see all the contacts, click on contacts and you should see all of them here. Identify the one you wish to block. Now, next time, should you want to see a list of all the members that you blocked, or if you want to find who you blocked, just head over again to people here and click on this settings, and under settings go to people, and under this now you can see blocked users. If you click on manage, this will display a list of all blocked people on your Microsoft Teams account. So that's how you can block people on Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.